pinpointer system. This system is used to determine the presence of a metal target or cavity with the precise identification of the location in which the metal or buried cavity is located through a sound or graphic display on the screen. The scanning process is conducted for potential targets via the VST probe, but with the selection of the pinpointer system. Device installation. 1. Connect the VST probe. Note: ensure that the antenna's unit is locked and closed so that the unit is stable during use. 2. Use the power socket on the bottom of the main unit to connect the battery. Note: immediately after entering any search system from the main menu, a video will appear which will notify the device's assembly steps. System selection. To get started, select Pinpointer System from the main menu and press OK. After the selection, a Pinpointer System screen will appear, which includes the following elements. Sensitivity. During the search process and according to the target scan, the device will make a special sound tone with a graphical presentation on the screen that represents the presence of the target underground. User can change the sensitivity value at any time to control the output sound and visualization on screen. Calibration. User can use this option to calibrate the probe sensitivity at any time according to the type of ground and the condition of the area to be scanned. Reset. Use this button to return the calibration to the default value. How to use. After setting up, point the VST sensor vertically on the ground and start the scan process. Make sure that there are no metal objects in your shoes and keep the distance between the probe and the ground constant. Also, during this procedure, the VST sensor should point vertically toward the ground. It should not rotate or pivot or even swing. On the screen of the device, a bar graph is displayed that appears in green in the case of natural Earth. In the case of receiving metal signals, a graph which includes rectangles with different lengths will appear on top of the horizontal center line. In the case of receiving underground cavity signals, such as a tunnel, they consist of rectangles facing downward of the horizontal center line of different lengths, going to dark blue color. On the screen of the device, some values that affect the scanning process can be controlled, such as sensitivity and calibration value.